how can you work in 2-week sprints to get 4 tests out every 2 weeks? Then you'll get that up to 8 tests out every 2 weeks. And then at the end of a month, you're gonna have 3 or 4 winners. And then how do you scale that?
I would encourage you to be bolder and less conservative. Do a test, take 20% of the traffic, create a very bold experiment on how the layout should work out, on how the different strategies should work. And if it works, then suddenly everyone understands the power of being agile.
I think the most important part of any sort of conversion optimization and any sort of testing is making sure you're thinking holistically. So what ads are pointing at that? What emails are pointing at it? What is the physical product the user is going to get as a result of that relevant landing page you served? And how do you capitalize on it?